Hey guys, so quickly I want to give you some tips related to how to build an application, right? And by building, I don't mean the building which we are doing, but rather the building which React Native will do, right? So you know that, right? On Android, you can install something called as APK, right? So how do you create an APK? It's a very straightforward and a simple process. You just need to literally go to a directory called as Android. And when we were discussing, when we were seeing the React Native project for the very first time, we did come across this directory called as Android, which we haven't touched till now. And we'll close it, and you can say and dot slash gradle w, don't forget to add a w, app colon assemble release. If you run this command, you'll see a bunch of things happening. It may take some time depending on the configuration of your system, but eventually it will spit out an APK. Okay guys, so we can see that it says that build successful. Now the question is, where can you find this APK? So if you go inside the Android, if you go inside the app, then you have to go inside build, followed by output, followed by APK, followed by release. And the reason you have to go inside release is, if you see the command which we gave, we said assemble me a release, so hence it's inside the release. And this is the APK. You can share with anyone, you can share with yourself. So that's how simple it's to build APK. There are other things which has to be done, but as of now, this is good enough for you to install your first React Native application, right? So thank you guys.